I'm sorry, Lily. I should have just asked nicely. And I'm sorry I didn't want to share at all. Because I always make mistakes. I'm a bad brother. No, Liam! Let go! It's my bike!
Good morning, family. Breakfast is ready now.
Pancakes! My favorite! Whoosh, I am so hungry. Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, Liam.
Good morning, Lily. Sit down, sweetie.
Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful day today.
Dad, can we play soccer after breakfast? Please, please?
Maybe later, Liam. I have a surprise today.
A surprise? What kind of surprise, Daddy?
You will see, Lily. It is a special surprise.
Is it for me? Is it a toy?
Patience, Liam. Good things come to patient boys.
Eat first. Then we talk about surprises.
These pancakes are so yummy, Mommy. Slow down, Liam. You will get a stomachache. Sorry, Mom. I am just very excited today.
That is my boy. Always full of energy.
Daddy, can you tell me the surprise now?
Almost, Lily. First, finish your milk.
Done. Now please tell me, Daddy.
Okay. Let's all go to the garage.
The garage? What is in the garage?
Come on, kids. Follow your father.
Come on, you guys.
We're coming. Slow down.
I want to see first. I want to see first. Wait for me, Liam.
Slow down, kids. The surprise is not going anywhere. All right, here we go.
I can't wait to see it.
It's moving. It's opening.
Look, it's really opening.
Close your eyes, Lily. This surprise is special for you.
Okay, Mommy, my eyes are closed. Why only for Lily? What about me?
Don't worry, Liam. Everyone gets nice things sometimes. Okay, Lily. Open your eyes now.
Oh, wow! A bike! A beautiful blue bike!
Happy early birthday, Lily. We love you so much.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy. I love it.
Bring me into golden sunlight.
Wow.
If I'm going with
Whoa! That blue color is amazing!
Yes, Liam. Blue is a very nice color.
It's my favorite color too, Dad.
catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire.
Can I ride it first, Lily? Just one time? Maybe later, Liam. It is my birthday gift. Oh. I guess not. Oh. Okay. I understand.
Everything okay, son? You look a little sad.
I'm fine, Dad. I'm happy for Lily. Ring, ring! Look at me, everyone.
Good job, Lily. You are doing great.
Sinking in
Be careful near the fence, sweetie.
catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
That bike should be mine too. Lily, can I try it now? Please? Not yet, Liam. I just got it. But I really, really want to try it. Maybe tomorrow, Liam. Today is my special day. That's not fair. You always get nice things. That's not true, Liam. You have many toys too. Just one ride. Only one small ride. Can I? Please, just one ride. That's all I ask. Only a little ride, please. No, Liam. Let go. It's my bike. No, it's my turn. Give it back, Liam. I had it first. No, you didn't. Let go. Liam, stop. You will break it. I just want to try it one time. Oh no, I didn't mean to. Look at what I've done.
Oh my goodness! Lily, are you okay?
My arm hurts.
Let me see. It's okay, I'm here.
My bike. My beautiful bike is broken.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get
What happened here? Is everyone safe?
I just wanted to try the bike.
Liam, look what happened. Lily is covered in mud.
Whoa. My dress is dirty. My bike has a scratch.
Okay, everyone stay calm. Let's look at the bike. The bike is okay. Just a small scratch.
Lily, let's clean you up first, sweetheart.
Liam pulled the bike too hard. I'm sorry, Lily. I didn't mean to hurt you.
Liam, we need to talk about this.
I know, Dad. I made a mistake.
I understand, Liam, but Lily has feelings too.
Will Lily ever forgive me?
It's okay, sweetie. Everything will be fine.
Mama? You go on ahead, dear.
Just wait a moment, Liam. We're here. Lily, are you feeling better now?
A little better, Mommy. But my heart still hurts.
Liam, do you want to say something to Lily?
I'm sorry, Lily. I was wrong. You scared me, Liam. The bike almost broke. I know. I just wanted to feel happy too.
Why didn't you ask us for a bike, Liam?
I didn't think you would say yes. We always listen, Liam. You can always ask us. I'm sorry, everyone. I will do better.
Sorry is not enough this time, Liam. What? What do you mean, Lily? I don't want to share my bike with you now.
Lily, let's talk about this calmly.
No, Daddy. He tried to take my bike.
Lily, I understand you feel hurt right now. But anger makes problems bigger, not smaller.
it's not fair, Mommy.
Life is not always about fair, Lily.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's about kindness instead.
Liam? What happened?
Oh my gosh.
Liam, why would you say that?
Because I feel like I keep making mistakes. And I don't do things right. Because I always make mistakes. I'm a bad brother.
Liam, wait, I didn't mean that.
Let him have a moment, kids. Let's give him space.
James, he sounded really upset.
I know. Let's check on him soon.
Mommy, I think I made Liam feel very sad.
Sometimes words hurt more than actions, sweetie.
I didn't want him to feel that way.
This is a good lesson for both of you. Liam? Can I come in, buddy?
They'll ink Tasman.
Buddy? Liam, please answer me, son. Sarah, something feels wrong. Liam is not answering.
Let's check on him together.
Hey, bud.
I don't know what to do.
It's okay, let's talk about it. Oh, buddy. Come here.
I just wanted something nice too, Dad.
I know, son. I know.
Liam. Can I come in too? Lily, I'm really sorry about your bike. I'm sorry too, Liam. I said mean things.
I love you all.
Me too. You're the best.
Good night, my loves. Liam, why do you feel like a bad brother? Because I always want what Lily has.
I never feel happy with my own things.
That feeling is called jealousy, son. Everyone feels jealous sometimes, even grown-ups.
Even you, Dad? Even Mom?
Sometimes, yes.
So it's okay?
Yes, Liam. Even me. It's a normal feeling.
Liam, I didn't know you felt that way. I'm sorry, Lily. I should have just asked nicely. And I'm sorry I didn't want to share at all. You are the best sister in the world, Lily.
This is what family really means. Not perfect, but always trying, always loving.
Liam, you're a really good brother. Liam, I want to tell you something important. What is it, Lily? The bike doesn't matter as much as you do. Lily, that means so much to me. Lily, can I ask you something? Yes, Liam. Anything. Can we maybe share the bike sometimes? I think I would like that, Liam. Really? You mean it, Lily? Really, Liam. Sharing is better than being alone.
You're doing a great job, Liam.
Thanks, James. It looks shiny. I will help. I want to fix what I did. Thank you for helping, Liam.
Liam, I have something for you too.
For me? What is it? Mom?
This bell is for your bicycle, Liam.
Wow! Thank you, Sarah! Wait. I have a bicycle too?
It's in the garage, son. Go look.
Wow! A bike for me! Whoosh! A bicycle just for me! It even has blue, just like mine. This is perfect. I love it so much.
We got it for your birthday next month. But we gave it to you early today.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom.
We love you,
Kiddo.
We are so proud of you.
I'm sorry I didn't trust you would help me.
We always want to help you, Liam.
You just need to ask us nicely. I understand now, Mom. Asking is better than taking. Ring, ring! Yes! Let's ride together, Lily. Okay, Liam, let's go. Race you to the swings. Okay, go, 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 go.
They learned something important today, Sarah.
Yes, James. Sharing and asking instead of taking.
And jealousy is normal, but kindness is better.
I'm so proud of both our children.
Whoosh ring! Whoosh ring! Best day ever! Liam, you are so funny and silly. I learned it from being a happy brother now.